Hi, welcome to Ayu's Cooking. In today's video, we are making red chili, ginger and garlic. We are also going to be making later on in the video filling for samosa, lamb mince filling for samosa. So this is a staple in my cooking. I do use this always when I start my cooking, which usually other people will use just ginger and garlic. This is what I use. This is what I make and make my life easy so that when I cook, I do not cut ginger and garlic at that time. It's already ready for me to use. So I started here by putting hot water in my whole red chili, which is completely optional, but the other things that I'm going to be doing to make ginger and garlic you can follow if you don't like chili. Yes, and then I put more garlic than ginger. And then how I liquidize it, I just put lemon juice with white spirit vinegar. Yes, and you can just, it doesn't really matter which one you put more. Usually I prefer to put more of lemon, but it really does not matter as long as you use only these two to make a paste. Don't use water. It just keeps it for longer. You can actually even put it outside for a week, nothing will happen to it. Yes, and then I like to add a little bit of oil inside, which is also completely optional. So now we are starting with our filling. We're going to come with our oil and then cumin seeds, let it fry for a few seconds. And then I came with my mince. I am going to fry the mince. Then I came with my red chili, ginger and garlic, 2 tablespoons of that. This is 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Then I am going to come with my chicken stock, the flavored cubed beef flavored cubed stock. So it doesn't matter, you can come with the liquid one. It just must be a little bit because our meat is already done, guys. We're just putting in flavor in our meat. Another thing, salt. Do not forget to taste when you're making your food, obviously. If you're not a person who eats too much salt, this is enough. You don't need to put salt. As the beef cubed, it already have its own salt. So when we're doing the filling for samosas, especially when we're doing lamb mince or maybe chicken mince, we put the onions. Right now my pot is off, guys. We put the onions, the green chili, the coriander all at the end. I usually put my coriander once the mince has cooled off, like it's no longer hot. Then I put my coriander that time. Remember, by the time you fry your samosas, the onion will be done together with that, and it will have that crunchiness when you're eating, which is makes the samosas more tastier. This is completely optional. I was using this tomato sauce. I think it's some sauce. It's not from here in South Africa, it's from Pakistan. So I was using that just to, add extra flavor, but this was completely already nice. So that's how you make your filling for samosas. This is samosa pastry that I got from Checkers. You can get also at Pick and Pay. It's different brands. Yeah, I do have a video on this channel if you go back of how to make it yourself at home. But this, for a busy life, it's just perfect also. It comes 100 sheets, I think, for 100 rand. Yeah, it's around about there. If it's not 100 rand, it's 90 something rand, or it's less than 110. I forgot now because I was buying with other things. And then this is how you roll it. You know what? I'm not perfect at doing wrapping the samosas, but what you can do is just make sure that the corners, everything is closed inside. It doesn't need to look perfect as long as you are sure that when you are frying it, nothing from inside will come out. that's the trick. That's the trick, really. That in the corners, as you can see, there are corners. Everything is locked inside. Your mince is locked inside. Whatever you're deciding to put, it's locked inside. Because if it's not, then your samosas are kind of like messed up, because now everything will come out and then it will just be pastry alone left for you to eat. The paste that I'm using to close my samosas is just a mixture of flour and water, that you make a paste of it and then you close your samosas. You can also use an egg. Guys, samosas are convenient. This day I was making for Ramadan, preparing for Ramadan, but this you can make for lunchbox. You can make it just to have it if you are having guests now and then. It's something that you can take it out from your freezer and fry it. Yeah, guys, so this is where I am gonna end. This is how I buy these plastics at a baking store, or you can get them, I think, at Westpac. Then I store in my freezer, guys. Guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you on my next upload. Bye bye.